On 14th January, the Khasi Students' Union Narpo Circle had met CNRD Minister Hamletson Dorling to submit a memorandum on their request for the establishment of a CNRD block at Narpo in Lumshnong, Jaintia Hills. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the president of the KSU Narpo Circle, KS Suchiang, informed that earlier in 2018, a similar memorandum had been submitted to Conrad K. Sangma, who had just taken over as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but there was not much that was done during that time. However, on 16th December 2021, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who was accompanied by the CNRD Minister Hamletson Dorling, while laying the foundation stone for the construction of the CNRD block office at Wapong Cleriat, also reiterated the fact that assessment of various districts for the construction of such offices is under process so as to enable the establishment of more such blocks in areas within Jaintia Hills district.
Community and rural development block ke po Narpo Lumshnong. Ke kwa bani tu ipi. Kalau Indonesia ngadu kistem maladap ngadu ada katra. Mengikum ka KSU Narpo Circle ngarengkat pak kajing Trevor Bai juga Narpo Border Area Joint Action Committee. Ngadu submit ke memorandum ada katra sau menteri nang ba juga jelas ni kontrak sama. Tiap tu kepor kemau ba siam berendam sini kita susun ti thamai kam si penista kepor tu jingkar nak kepor kam PSSI nomor baik siam memang ba kadang mentah ke sarkari kadang hiram dan kam pisah mereka trop jang seseru kadang sa adu taki klur nak tak tahu ke jingkar nang tu berakut tikan mau hisa nak liang jang ka sarkar kepor kadang nang si penista jang Dr. Mukul Sangma di kila ship ya ka CNRD block mungkin nak clear setelah Lumshnong di kalau ke ba long tu dah kampung bade tentang iyo sok ba ke clear CNRD block la kandria siapung ba di iwan kandrutrik trong dan opera yang sedang beradab arcar huai ba amla doling ba di siam berang kili bu manongrim ya ka CNRD block benar clear ang kampung para sanction bisa ru baru light lur pan snai ke office badan kamang teh te hagate gajinya gajing pli yang mau norim teh hopung kan mau lomba kai kubur mau siam badan belum jengi kon sama wong baki don ki blok barang sa katukan beli ke sarkar kan sesong bisa punya akan bu ya kini ke blok haki jaga badan kam haki than ki para irun kam sya ban bu te sokman ban itu kini ka ba gajing itu kenduk jengi bari ba amlat paling ibadai menteri beri payah kena kenap CNRD block ilong ni ba mentah insimnya kena ka memorandum ban limi ban kenduk ban song meeting bat sem jengi ban keren yang kena gajing doa gajing karpat ka jengi